Oh my god. Eee! So I'm sick. Wow, I'm really sick. Or I'm desperate. Like, I need electromagnephonies. So today I decided, while everyone's doing their Valentine's Day looks and making coin off their Valentine's Day collections, I would do something unrelated to Valentine's Day. It's so dumb. Valentine's Day makes me laugh, honestly. It's a cute themed holiday. It really is. It's pink. I like pink. But like, in my school, it's the dumbest thing. You'll just see people just get each other stuff and then they break up the next day. It's kind of funny and amusing. So I was like, I'm not doing that. Okay, fine. I'm gonna do it, but not yet because I'm sick. Wow. That awkward moment when you sound like a person who is sick filming a YouTube video. You know it's bad when I can't even eat quinoa. So I'm using this 4 Pro palette. This will be my last tutorial for a while using this palette.
I think the fuck not, you trick ass.
First, I'm just basically taking the purple shades in the palette. I'm only using 2 shades. I'm starting off with this one and then I'm going in. Just taking this Morphe brush. It looks like this. I don't know. And I'm just taking the lighter purple shade. Oh shoot, did I set this? I'm gonna set it with white first, just so it has a nice base. Now I'm just taking the purple and I'm just putting it in the crease and building it out. Also, did y'all hear about the lemonade mouth thing? I just found out today there was supposed to be a lemonade mouth too, but then it got canceled. And then the one guy got arrested, like the rapper. I don't know his name. The one who got her a cat. So that's kind of sad. So you're basically gonna blend this to look like her fat body. And the white part is meant to look like the trash bag because she'll wear like a really Gucci dress and the dress will literally be a trash bag.
Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them and they were mine. But you ate them, yeah, you ate my fries. And I cried, but you didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you'd show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it.
Okay, now I'm just taking the darker purple and just packing it on under it. And not even packing, just like rubbing. I don't know. I'm tired, you guys. I don't have any words for this.
So now I'm just taking this MAC concealer and using it.
I bought them and they were mine. But you ate them, yeah, you ate my fries. And I cried, but you didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you'd show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it. What kind of daddy eats his daughter's fries and doesn't look her in the eye?
Have you ever guys just felt like ever like on a... Have you guys ever just felt so sick you're just like, ugh. 'Cause like woof. Like, you know you're like going crazy or something, or like, oh shoot. When you just make random animal noises to communicate. So now I'm just packing on this blue shade in the palette. It's like a Moonchild shade. It really shows. I think I'm better than you, like how most high schoolers think when they're not. Make your camera not die like mine is right now. Like, now I'm just taking this, and it looks like kind of crappy, like as a liner, so I'm just topping it because it has like blue and white glitter in it, so it kind of gives like, it's like a topper.
Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry, I don't treat you like you're perfect, like loyal subjects do. Sorry, I'm not made of sugar. Am I not sweet enough for you? Is that why you always avoid me? That must be such an inconvenience to you. I'm just your problem. I'm just your problem. It's like I'm not even a person, am I? I'm just your problem.
Is it this Revlon stuff is like crackly and annoying, so like never again. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and just kind of carve it to be a little thinner. So really quickly, I'm gonna pop on my wispies and give them a go. I'm gonna take my Smashbox primer. Can anyone tell me why it's called Smashbox? Let me know. I'll just read it.
Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you'd want me to do?
I feel like my pores are being like suffocated. I'm just gonna be taking my Fit Me foundation because you gotta love it.
Why you always avoid me? That must be such an inconvenience to you. Well, I'm just your problem. I'm just your problem. It's like I'm not even a person, am I? I'm just your problem. Well, I shouldn't have to justify what I do, and I shouldn't have to prove anything to you. I'm sorry that I exist. Forget what landed me on the black.
Now I'm just going over it with a beauty blender because it looks so bad. Oops.
Why do I want to? Why do I want to? Why do I want?
And yes, guys, this is like dry right now.
Why do I want? Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them and they were mine. But you ate them, yeah, you ate my fries. And I cried, but you didn't see me.
Girl, stop. And I'm like, but like, do I have to?
Show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it. What kind of dad eats his daughter's fries and doesn't look her in the eyes?
I was like, oh no, that's just like a warning, like the flash. So lately I've been getting back into this. It's like really good. I like the bronzer because it's really like light and it's from Tarte. So I'm just gonna use that. It's perfect for my skin tone.
Yeah, you ate my fries and I cried, but you didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you'd show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it. What kind of dad eats his daughter's fries and doesn't look her in the eyes? Daddy, there were tears there. If you saw them, would you even care? Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them and they were mine.
I'm taking this like Bobbi Brown cool tone, but I don't know if this is even cool tone. but like we're just gonna go with it. I don't know, I feel like it like almost looks warm toned, but I almost am like, no, maybe it's warm toned. I can't tell. Yeah, well, that's what we're doing. Now, I just said the alphabet wrong coffee. We're gonna try to use this as a highlighter, and we'll see if it works. I'm taking my Morphe brush. Oh God. I almost like hate it. It picks up too much. Like, no. Shoot. I don't even know. Is that like a highlight or just a ton of white powder on my face? You know? Oh my God. So yeah, that's like a highlighter, but it's not that intense though. It's just like white. So I'm like kind of not liking it. I honestly would just bake with it. Whoa. I honestly would just bake with it and then spray my face and be like, what? So I'm just going to use this L'Oreal Yellow one in Diamond Dust because it has like a pink in it. I'm just going to put it on top of the I was going to say elf, but it's Jake hat. Ooh. Yes.
Sorry that I exist. Forget what landed me on the blacklist. But I shouldn't have to be the one that makes up with you. So
I'm also going to do a little fake highlight and just take the yellow in the palette that I've used in many of my videos and just put it under my brow bone.
why do I want to?
And shoot.
Why do I
No, okay, never mind.
Daddy, why did you eat my fries?
Cute.
I bought them,
Now I'm just going to take my Patrick Star liquid lipstick.
but you
Am I dumb? It's not a liquid lipstick. Anyhow.
and I
And this.
cried. Didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you would show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it. What kind of daddy eats his daughter's fries and doesn't look her in the eyes? Daddy, there were tears there. If you saw them, would you even care?
I'm also going to put a Marc Jacobs gloss on it. And it's not a sugar. It's in Moon Glow. The lightest one.
But you ate that, yeah, you ate my fries, and I cried, but you didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you would show it, 'cause I wouldn't know. What kind of daddy eats his daughter's fries and doesn't look her in the eyes? Daddy, there were tears there.
Oh, Froggy dear, I'll marry you. Froggy dear, I'll marry you. Oh my glob. Oh my glob. Look at